Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out these GLAMBURG Ringspun cotton towels, 100% cotton. And these are a nice little set here featuring pretty good sized towel there. So there's one. It's kind of thin. Some people like thinner towels, some people like thicker towels. This is about on the thin side, and it comes with one of those and a nice little washcloth there. Should be two of each, two little washcloths, and 100% cotton. Very nice. 4 of these little washcloths here. Actually pretty soft. A little bit scratchy, but scratchy in a soft way, if that makes sense. And then we have these other ones. So these are a little bit bigger, more like a hand towel for your bathroom or something. Quite nice though. 100% cotton. Cotton basically just gets softer as you use it, so that's pretty nice. These are pretty cool. And then an additional one more large one. So we have 2 large bath towels, and then 2 hand towels, and then 4 washcloths. So yeah, I like the cotton towels. Are nice, they dry well, and these look to be decent quality. They got the double, we got the stitching around the edges here, double stitching around the sides here, so that's nice. Should hold up really well. These are made in India with love. All right, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I will see you next time.